In the question from trigonometric identities, it says if an acute angle, well, it's not A, right? It has to be theta, right? It's an acute angle and tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 2. Then we have to find the value of this. That is the value which we have to find out is sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. This is what we have to get. Now what we are going to do here, first thing that we will do is to simplify this and obtain sine cos from here. So what I can write this tan theta, what I'm just talking about is this here. So what I can replace tan theta as, it is sine theta over cos theta, that divided by cos theta, plus I can write cot as what? Cos theta over sine theta, which is equal to 2. So once we have obtained this, what we are going to do is to take LCM. So LCM is going to be what? Sine into cos. That is sine theta multiplied by cos theta. Sine theta multiplied by sine is what? Sine square theta plus this is going to be cos square theta is equal to 2. Now further you must be knowing that sine square plus cos square is what? 1. So I can write this as 1 over sine theta into cos theta. This is sine theta into cos theta, which is equal to 2. Now with cross multiplication, finally we got sine theta into cos theta as equal to half. So this is the information we have obtained in terms of sine cos, but what we have to get is this, that is sine cube plus cos cube. So if I do the expansion of sine cube plus cos cube, this is sine cube theta plus cos cube theta is what we have to get. And what is the identity of a cube plus b cube? This is a plus b bracket a square, which is sine square theta plus cos square theta, and then minus ab, right? We have minus ab, that is minus sine theta multiplied by cos theta. Now what else you can do? Once again, here you can see sine square minus cos square is there, which can be replaced with 1. And we know the value of sine into cos. And sine into cos is what we have already obtained as from this say equation 1 as half. So let's first plug in the value and then we will figure out what else we have to get. As of now, we don't know the value of sine theta plus cos theta. So let's keep it as it is. In another bracket, I can replace this with 1 and minus, how much is this? Half. This is half. So further we can say that this is 1 minus half is what? Half. So let me write on half, or half in the beginning, and then multiplied by sine theta plus cos theta. Now from here you can figure out that if I get the value of sine theta plus cos theta, we will get the final answer. Now for doing this, what I'm going to do is to write down the formula of a plus b whole square. What I'm going to do is to write on the formula of sine theta plus cos theta whole square. So this is what? A square, which is sine square theta, plus b square, that is cos square theta, plus 2 times sine into cos. So this is sine square plus cos square theta. I can replace this with 1. And then there is a plus sign over here, 2 times. This is 2 times sine theta into cos theta. Once again, from here, I can write this as what? Half. So this get cancelled. Check here, we are getting 1 plus 1, that is 2. But that is for sine plus cos whole square, right? And if you transpose this square onto the other side, right? On the other side, we are going to get sine theta plus cos theta as under root 2. If I remove this square. So we got the value of this as sine theta plus cos theta as root 2 from here. So that should be the answer. If I multiply this with root 2, we are going to get root 2 over 2. Am I right? Yeah. Now this is correct. Now, sometimes if this is not an option, like if in case of an MCQ, if this is not an option, then the other option could be like on reducing this, it is 1 by root 2. Technically, on the rationalized form, this should be the answer. But as I say, if in case of an MCQ, need to see all the option. If you do not find this as one of the option, then you will be writing 1 over root 2, and the idea is very clear, right? It's dividing root, writing root 2 as root, writing 2 as root 2 into root 2. Okay, let's move to the next question.